The range is where the action is in the kitchen. It's where we whip together meals, baked, broiled, roasted, or sautéed. High-end ranges like this one are hot, and not just in the obvious way. They're an upmarket trend that make home cooks feel like the chef of their very own restaurant. The construction of one of these double oven ranges starts with a big sheet of galvanized steel. A machine flips it and feeds it to a press. The press folds the sheet twice to make the oven walls, closing it around the framework. The oven bottom is placed into position, and automated welders fuse everything together. The back section goes on next. Those holes are for the oven's fans. The oven shell gets a porcelain finish on the inside, and then the heating element goes in. Fans are fitted into those pre-cut holes. More heating elements run along their perimeters. The oven is then wrapped with synthetic insulation to keep it from scorching nearby cabinetry. Side panels cover the insulation and help support the oven structure. This piece of steel will reinforce the range bottom. Several feet are attached. The front ones have wheels, so the range can be moved without tearing up the floor. Workers cushion it with packing foam, flip it, and hoist the oven onto it next to a smaller second oven that's part of this double oven range. Next, a technician hooks up the microprocessor board that controls everything from the oven's fans to their timers. And all of that wiring needs to be double-checked. On this range, the burners are fueled by gas. This electrical board will sense gas flow problems. Workers assemble the igniter boxes that will spark the burner's flames. Then mount them on the cooktop. After installing the gas valves on the framework, they slide connectors onto some gas lines and attach them to the valves. On this upscale cooktop, there are 2 gas lines for every knob, one for a low flame and the other for a high flame. With the installation of the burners and the porcelain drip pan, the cooktop is now ready to be lowered onto the ovens. This is where the knobs fit. It's called a bullnose, and it's a bit of a showpiece. So workers grind and polish it to give it a gleaming finish with no sharp edges. For handling purposes, the bullnose is protected with plastic. This machine punches and bends the edges of panels so they can be attached to the sides of the range. At another station, the oven doors get a good buffing, so they'll match the shiny bullnose. With the side panels and doors attached, all that's left are a few more finishing touches, and the final product is ready to be fired up.